Hello, everyone. Mrs. Morell here with your recap of science instruction for Monday and Tuesday, January 25th and 26th. So we are doing a deep dive into adaptations. We've learned that genetic mutations occur, and sometimes they are helpful to an organism and they help it succeed in its environment and reproduce. And then that genetic mutation gets passed down to the offspring. And at that point, it's called an adaptation. And then after many, many, many years, that adaptation becomes a trait in that population. And that's how evolution works. So we learned that adaptations can be, there are three different types. They can be physical, externally identifiable adaptations, for instance, like your hair color, your eye color, a the long trunk of an elephant, the neck of a giraffe, the beak of a Darwin finch. Those are all physical adaptations. Adaptations can be behaviors, behaviors that are they become innate, like migration. Another form of adaptation can be physiological, which means it's an internal adaptation. Things like xylem in plants and hollow bones in birds are physiological adaptations. So we talked a little bit more about the difference between structure and function and how adaptations can be internal or external. So in class, we did our warm-ups. Today, we did an adaptations for survival card sort. We learned that there are 6 main reasons that animals develop adaptations. They are for defense and protection. They are for movement, for reproduction, to sense their surroundings, to get food, and to move. So those are reasons for adaptations. We looked at a whole bunch of pictures and organized them into the main reason that genetic mutation turned into a trait in that population. We looked at a types of adaptation presentation. We completed prompt notes, so we added those to your notes folder. I then asked you to watch 2 videos about plant adaptations and contribute to a discussion post so that we could talk a little bit more about xylem. And then finally, I asked you guys to study your Quizlet vocabulary set because there are a lot of words in the adaptations Quizlet vocabulary set. So it's something that you're not going to want to wait to leave until the last minute. You should stay on top of that studying. So as always, if you have any questions, see your science teacher and have a wonderful day.